So I was told that commercials with babies in them get a much better response. So we brought Naomi in the background to hold it down. And my name is Jay English, the pastor of community and youth here at Park Lawn. Want to let you know we've got some amazing things coming up over the next few months. We've got the We Care Fest right here on Saturday, August 4th. The Poets in Autumn Tour is returning to us on September 7th. And then we've got Reggie Jackson coming in and doing 3 speaking engagements in October and November. Something I'm most excited about, though, would be the Karitos Worship Arts Conference that's going to be coming right here next month, August 23rd through 25th. 23rd through 25th? Naomi agrees. So with that coming in, this is an event that I have been attending for the last 8 years, and it has done wonders for not just my life, but for my ministry, on how I view God, on how He works within the arts, within all form of the arts, and it really helped me take Him out of the box. So if this is something you're interested in, then after service, take a few moments, go meet Zachary and Susanna Francis, who are the organizers of this year's event. They'll be over in the informational wing. Apparently Naomi wants to give a little information as well, but we're going to let you go. Check out this video, and we hope to see you here next month.
Karitos is a worship and arts conference now in its 22nd year. We grew out of a radio program in Chicago. It was a Christian talk show, and the subject one afternoon was, what is God doing in the arts? And out of that, the idea of just bringing artists together for a day just to hear what God was saying, how was God using them. This was back in 1995. We were hoping to get 100 artists to come and spend a day together, and we had over 500. And we realized there was a hunger. So we decided to do it again, and it has just grown into an annual conference that draws hundreds of artists together.
If you're an artist, this is a great place to meet other artists of faith who are dynamic in their work and in their personal lives.
This conference has been around for over 20 years, and the quality faculty they bring in is just astounding. It's not only dance, it's not only worship, but there's so many different art forms. There's film, there's literary. There's just a place for you to fit in. And if you're somebody who only wants to dance, you might find, wow, I have a gifting in this area as well. So learn from the masters that are there.
The information that the faculty that share there, it comes from their heart, and it's straight from the throne room of God. It is not something you would want to miss.